Figure lets you copy and stretch your drawings.
Hi my beautiful stars, I hope that you're doing so well today. If you're new here, my name is Molly and welcome to my little slice of pie here on the internet. So you just saw me holding scissors because I'm doing a really fun 90s mystery bundle unboxing that I found on Poshmark. I am so excited. I follow a few people on TikTok that do these on Etsy, and one of them lives in Canada, so I wasn't sure if she would ship to the US, but this person I did find after some sleuthing on the app. I'm really excited, so I'll leave her closet down below if you want to buy one. She has a few different tiers. Some are a little bit less expensive and some are more expensive. The bigger you get, the more expensive it is. I was born in 98, so I'm 23. I'm gonna be 24 next month, which is crazy. I grew up with two older sisters, so I got a mixed like 90s, early 2000s childhood, and I was able to just experience, I feel like, more of a 90s childhood than maybe other people my age because I had older siblings who had all these really fun things from the 90s, so liked shows from the 90s that we would watch and stuff after school. So this I was so excited about. I love everything Y2K in the 90s, so yay! If you are new here, I create a lot of fun, different, random content on this channel, from book videos, selling on like Poshmark and Depop and stuff like that. I like create tips videos and all that. I talk about beauty and lifestyle and thrifted fashion, all of the things, and sometimes some paranormal videos. So if any of that speaks to you, definitely subscribe and join our family and become a beautiful star. Okay, enough babbling, let's just get into the unboxing. This one I spent, so she has one at $25 and then one at $30, and I was just like, you know, I'm gonna spend the extra $5, and I had some credits to use and just get a size up and see what else I can get. This is what was in there. Super cute. So there's like Lisa Frank stickers on the front and Barbie stickers, so it's super 90s looking, but already excited, so let's crack open into this little bag. Alright, let's pull out the first thing, which is a Care Bear. It's vintage too. It's from 2002, so it has been 20 years exactly since 2022 this year, so I guess that marks it as vintage. I cannot remember what Care Bear this is. I used to watch a lot of Care Bears when I was a kid, but not remember which Care Bear this is. But I'm so excited because I know there's Sunshine Bear. Okay, first things. Okay, got some goodie hair clips. Always nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's also like a mini grab bag in here. And let's crack this open and see what we got. Candy cane lip smacker, which my sisters and I used to collect lip smackers, and they're so fun. Oh my gosh. I think I had this exact ring when I was a kid. Reminds me of like Pretty Princess. Got an Ariel keychain, which will be so cute for my Disney backpack that I have. A Blossom like toy from Burger King. I don't even know what this is. I'm sure you could just like put it on something. Got some Pop Rocks, of course, a scrunchie, and a ring pop. Stop it right now. I used to have one of these too. I think that these were like little prizes that you could get at Chuck E. Cheese for like 2 tickets or something, and then some double bubble gum. So oh my gosh, off to a great start. Another baggie of stuff. You'll understand why I'm like speechless right now. You guys, I used to have a lot of Polly Pockets as a kid that were my sister's, and I found one under my bed in an under storage bin, but I know that we had other ones. And so I've been looking for them everywhere at the thrift store and at antique stores. She did not give me a Polly Pocket. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna cry. Are you kidding? Came with a little one. It's the only one that came in here. It's so hard because these are so little. So if you are not from, if you didn't grow up with like this kind of Polly Pocket, I grew up with the 2 different kinds. So I have like the early mid 2000 ones with like the crimpy hair and like the rubbery clothing that everyone loves to like chew on. It's a weird generational joke, but these were ones that I also grew up with, and there's like a stamping set one And so the little Polly Pockets were like this big and they're bendable so you can like move them around and stuff. There's like an office one, there's a Beauty and the Beast one, Wizard of Oz, there's so many. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited that she gave me a Polly Pocket. This makes it so worth it. Are you kidding me right now? And then I got a cute little, looks like a Bella Sara horse, which I loved Bella Sara growing up, so this is awesome. And then a Barbie figurine, a 1992 made for McDonald's Barbie. That's amazing. I love her. My nephew will also have so much fun playing with this stuff. New in the box, 1992 Trolls. Are you kidding? That is so cool. I know I'm freaking out over like toys and stuff, but this is amazing. I remember these too. They're like the stencil bookmarks. Wow. Why do I remember this stuff? I swear. My sisters will probably have a heyday if I get these for them. Okay. Last thing is like a stationery kit. She went above and beyond. Okay, so we got some butterfly stickers, which I used to collect stickers, so that's amazing. Reminds me of that time. Got some Lisa Frank stationery with the dolphins on it. Some Babysitters Club notes from Scholastic. How fun is that? And then just like an envelope so I could send out mail with the Lisa Frank sticker. And then a sheet of Lisa Frank stickers, which is super fun. I know that the Dollar Tree sells Lisa Frank stickers, so if you need some 90s nostalgia, definitely hit up the Dollar Tree. And then just some fun like origami crafting stuff here. Or probably just like miscellaneous fun paper. Some rainbow stickers. The heart like metallic stickers, and then we got some pencils. So I have a Lisa Frank pencil and then an alien pencil, which if I were in elementary school right now it would be over for everybody because those are so cool. The Spotty Dotty little piece of paper, some penguin stickers, and these like metallic ones from Sandy Lion, which these remind me of going to the dentist as a kid. They'd always give me stickers when I was done. Confetti pop-up stickers, and then some Barbie stickers. Okay, so that is everything that I got. I'll just double check really quick, but I think that is everything. Please, please, please go check out her closet. She has a $50 box, a $40 one, $30 and $25. This is the $30 grab bag. I think like the more you go up in tiers, I think you'll actually get like a box full of stuff. But yeah, definitely check it out. And this jelly ring is like the best thing ever. I know I still have one somewhere. How fun is that? Anyways, so thank you so much for watching. If this brought you any nostalgic joy, please definitely subscribe. I think I'll probably get another one, honestly, like right after this, because this was such a good purchase. I think it was so worth it. But yeah, I'll leave everything down below, and if you love content like this, definitely subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, shine bright. Bye guys.